it is 5 kilometers. You can proceed that within a distance of 2 kilometers. It is 5 kilometers. Within a distance 10 kilometers and that is 15 kilometers. Is it clear? It is down Y. It is down X. Clear? Okay. Go for the reading for 5 minutes only, then after that we will start the lesson. Show you multitasking challenges. The narrative that you have already read, actually it gives you the message that what type of challenges are there, what kind of resources are there, and how you are going to take the resources, use the resources in some solution part. Now the time has come to discuss the challenges or the problems that you could see. Even it is described that resources are of two types. One is given resource and one is hidden resource. So you are advised to use given resource in magnified direction and hidden resource in restricted. Otherwise, the task can be done without doing anything else. Is it clear? Shall we start?
Yes,
So now we are going to take part in the discussion for the objective of common solution. Even you may use this map. So how the task is completed, how the distance is covered, and what the objective of the task was. You may use this rule also. So please start.
So guys, as we have seen that
Speak loudly.
as we have seen that there is a bus stop near the tea stall, and we got the information that a terrorist is going to arrive. But we have to keep one thing in mind, that they are the same terrorist who is supposed to hijack the school bus, as it was mentioned in the paper. So if we put maximum force to Rampur village, and if we get the assistance from the tea stall owner about and if we inform the tea stall owner about reaching to this tea stall for us, so we can
You are
consult.
advised to discuss the challenges first, whether the challenges are accepted by the group or not, and then after go for the discussion.
So
Challenge is that first challenge is
first challenge should be only taken into consideration, because they are the same.
trying to hijack the bus is coming from A to Y.
Exactly, they are the same terrorists.
That is three challenges is that, and we have to make 3 groups for that to eat for all the challenges.
Why-
And the resources that I have
we
donated
have
to
to
one
apply
person
our-
along with a bus
I
which
don't
had
understand
broken down
why-
that can be repaired
I
later.
The
don't
foremost priority that should be kept into mind is that the
They
hijack is that the
Bomb
bomb
blast
blast
Bomb blast and the
Exactly,
accident that
because
is taking
they are
place.
the same
hijack that is
terrorists.
going to
Yeah,
Who is
yeah.
going to
Accident
hijack?
that
So
is
rather
also
than
taking place.
applying our resources to town A, we should apply our maximum resources to the Rampur village to stop the hijack,
the bomb
to
blast
stop
is
the
going to
hijack and to
take
stop
place.
the
No person dialogue.
Different
No
people,
person
there will
dialogue.
be different people. Some people are there in Rampur villages of terrorists and the other might be in the bus.
No, they are
if you
there
can-
it was mentioned that they are the same. They are supposed to hijack the bus
Yeah,
around
but they are
1:30
the
p.m.
same
right?
group of terrorists, not the same people.
No, they were not same group. They.
Yeah,
In
The
the
first
paper it was
priority
written they.
is the
So-
bomb blast
of
that
all,
is
we
to
have
take
to-
place at
Yeah,
12:30
exactly.
PM.
Because that is
First,
how
we have
the
to take
form
help of the tea seller,
Tea
take
stall,
it
yeah.
to the village
And
and
ask
persuade the
people
villagers,
to
persuade the villagers about the
Exactly.
situation.
Exactly.
And one
First
group,
task is to just cancel out the meeting that is going to take place at the
That is not possible until you reach
Yeah,
the
first
village.
we have
That is not possible until we
take
reach
the
the
tea
village.
stall.
or we can either go to the police station to inform the police officer that
No, first the thing that foremost thing that we have to do is go to the tea stall owner, tell him about the
we are already at the tea
Speak
stall.
loudly,
No.
loudly.
the owner of the tea stall will definitely, as it is concerned to his villagers, so he will definitely go to the sarpanch and tell him about the entire scenario that's going to
Yeah, and we can
of the same
yeah, and we
Yeah.
can use the vehicle of the people who are there on the
Or
tea stall, because
yeah,
there are
we can use
probable
the vehicle of
chances
the
that the
tea
people
stall
are from the
also
Yeah,
village.
because
That's
at
a
a
hidden
distance
resource.
of
Yeah, that's a
70
hidden
kilometers,
resource.
he must
Yeah.
get private vehicles to
Yeah.
come every day at the tea stall. So we must take his own vehicle
Own
and
vehicle.
ask him to take him with him.
And
to
on
the
reaching
village.
there, we will
Yeah.
tell
And
the
after
people about the
reaching-
bomb blast that is to take
and
place.
and
But I think first of all we should allot the
And
group.
inform
We
the
should
police.
allot the
Yeah,
group.
group
We should allot the
Yeah.
Yeah,
group.
the first
That
action will be accomplished by going to the we all
Village.
Going to the
along
village
with the tea
after.
stall owner
We
will
should
go to the village sarpanch and tell him about the entire scenario that's going to happen.
The other
and
group
ask
will
him
go
to
down
abort
and
the
inform
meeting.
the police
Huh,
about
then-
the hijack
Yeah,
situation.
about the
Yes.
hijack
And
situation.
the machine
Plus,
gun.
plus, I think
The sarpanch
if we
himself
stop
will
these
inform the
people,
police station because he is the head of the village. I think he will be more permissible to inform the police station that it is a terrorist attack.
So that's why we are making 3 groups.
Yeah.
One go to the village.
Yes, one down will go to the village, other one will go to the police station to inform the police about the bus hijack that is
So
on tape.
we have to take into consideration that it is going to happen in just half an hour.
Yeah.
So that
12 and 12 is
No,
Well,
No, exactly.
1:30 the
So
hijack.
the hijack is
we have
hijack
the second
1 hour
part is
later.
about the 1:30 hijack which is going to take
1:30 hijack should be our least priority because the terrorists are there in the Rampur village only. So, so if we won't allow them to move towards town, why? Then the hijack will itself stop over there because they are trying to hijack the train while coming on the way to
Might
reach
be the
town.
terrorists have different groups also, just like we have split our group. There might be the terrorists has also split into the groups. Our least priority of action should be taken to the people who are
There is
not
also a possibility
But
that
we
two
should
different
reach
groups
the-
of
but we
terrorists
should
are
reach-
operating.
Two groups of terrorists or one group?
One
No,
that
group
seen
of
is
terrorists.
going to China and the other were planning to
Hijack the bus.
So there is a possibility that 2 groups of terrorists may be active.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So there is a probable chances that the 4 people who have rushed towards the forest, they are that group. So if we install one of our group to go to town A and inform the police so that the police
Town
can
A is very
town X, I mean
Town is the nearest town.
yeah, the nearest town.
Nearest
That
town
is
is
X.
town.
Yeah, town X. I meant saying if we send some of our friends over there to inform the police, and it is a town, so I assume that there might be some military camp over there. So the police, with the help of those, will encounter those people, and and they will allot some over the town X area
Yes.
because we are not capable to counter the terrorists. We are not.
Yeah,
So our job is done. Our
Yeah,
job is done.
exactly.
So how we can
Inform the people over there. That is our form. Being the Bollywood members, we are not the one who can
Counted.
counter
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
That's
saying.
why we have to inform the police.
Yeah, so that is
our
why we have
foremost
to
action
inform the
to be
police.
taken is to inform the Sarpanch and tell him about the entire scenario. He will take into charge to inform the police station and the police
And we
station.
can also say
We can also send one of
Yeah,
our
because
members to the police
the
station.
initial action
Sarpanch
that
will
will
agree
be
to the
taken is
police
to
station.
just cancel out the meeting which is going to happen.
Just now 16, now over here. Explain it to the map.
So sir, we are at the
Hold the route.
So sir, we are at the tea stop.
Yes.
So 4 members will go to the Rampur village.
Here at the tea stall, what is the resource? You have to talk about the resources, number of challenges, and how you are going to use the resource. Clear?
So the tea owner sir, that will be
Start. Please start with the starting.
So sir, what we have been told
The
in
group
the
is at the tea stall.
tea stall.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number of,
The number of persons is 10.
it means that you have 10 resources.
Yes sir. So the tea owner of that must be a villager. So
Why you are talking about tea owner? So what are the challenges? First talk about it.
So the challenges that are going to we are going to encounter is
You explain how the first challenge was being dealt by the group.
Okay, sir.
When the explosion was taking place in Rampur village, so how your group executed the work? So, the group.
So our group is here on the tea stall. The 4 of the people, along with the members who are there on the tea stall, along with the tea owner, because there is a high probability that the tea stall owner will be from the village.
Okay.
Because as we see that the distance of tea stall from Rampur village is around 7.5 kilometers, so the person will easily have the tea stall nearby. So we will act as a resource for them rather than taking them as a resource. So owned by looking for the lift or something, then there's a probable chances that we will reach there by 12:25. That is the highest probability and the least the resource is being used. And then the 5 minutes are there.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you. Go ahead. Because without explaining this, it asks economic to do. Time, how you manage the time, how the distance was covered. For the particular time, for the particular task, what is the allotted time for you? Or what you have suggested in the group. I suppose that bomb is to be exploded at 12:30 and presently it is 12 and you are going to cover around some 7.5 kilometers. So that distance is being covered by